Manipur University's Department of Physics also joined the rest of the country in observing the first National Space Day, commemorating the success of Chandrayaan 3 in August 23rd last year. Speaking in the program, which was held at the Court Hall of Manipur University, Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor N. Lokendra said, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the celebration of National Space Day to commemorate the success of Chandrayaan 3, which made soft landing near the South Pole of Moon last year. While highlighting the great strides made by ISRO in the past few decades, Professor N. Lokendra emphasized on the need for greater focus in space research and space technology, as these has huge potential to push India's economic growth and to enhance its communication technology.
The major academic and intellectual push to work further in this area of space technology, space research, and space studies. Because space studies, the satellite could land very softly only in 2023. That too after almost 25 years after the establishment of ISRO in 1969. As it was already pointed out that the investment by the government of India in space studies and space research was not very satisfactory as compared to other countries. And now the government of India has increased manifold in the amount of budgetary allocation in space studies, and with the development in space research, space studies, and information and the communications technology, there will be a tremendous development in the socio-economic transformation of the country.